So I'm here in Garden Grove, California, right off the 22 freeway on Harbor Boulevard, about 3.5 miles from Disneyland. Now I'm here to check out a joint where I hear this Mexican family put it all on the line to open and own their own restaurant and serve up real deal Mexican food. This is Sabroso.
Everything you order is going to be good, so it's really fun to try different things.
And Chamorro Plate, it's hot.
This is the Chimoto Plate. It's super yummy. It has meat with a red sauce.
It's magical.
Chamorro.
Yeah.
What does it mean in English?
That's the shank.
That's the shank?
Uh-huh.
That's a big shank. Go ahead, get me started.
Okay, we're gonna salt him first.
Okay.
So I have to sear him.
Oh, we're gonna sear them up on the flat top.
Yeah.
While those are searing?
We're gonna make the salsa for the chamorro. We have all the ingredients over here. We got cloves, bay leaves,
Some coriander, Mexican oregano,
Mexican oregano, cumin,
cumin seeds, got it?
yeah, allspice, peppercorn,
Garlic,
onions,
onions,
and the ginger.
ginger. Come on. In Mexico?
That one is mine. I had to find
I'm
something.
gonna tell your mom. He changed the recipe.
So then we're gonna put some of the
Super spicy with the chili dobro. We got kind of spicy and smoky with the guajillo and pretty mild with the California.
some water.
Okay?
Okay, we're gonna put the lid.
We're gonna drop them in the pot with a little bit of water, and this is where we're gonna cook them low and slow. Hang on a second, I wanna taste that. Oh, it's good except the ginger. I'm kidding. Now we're gonna cook all the mixture off a little bit.
Right.
Once it's done, we put the sauce on there, and then this all goes for an hour and a
All
half.
together, yeah. We're gonna put some peppers,
Which peppers are these?
California,
Guajillo.
guajillo,
Okay.
and the arbol. So now we're gonna put the salt.
We're gonna cover it.
Yeah, we're gonna cover now. This is the Peruano beans.
Perano?
Peruano. We have the chamorro ready here. So we just put some pico de gallo in the middle, queso fresco.
It's delicious, chef. It's got great texture, not too spicy. This has a lot of depth, not over seasoned. The meat's super tender. Today is my lucky day. I followed the rainbow. You're my pot of gold.
Chamorro ready to go.
It is absolutely amazing. It's really tasty. I love a little kick without it overpowering everything else.
It's just good food, honestly. Everybody comes in happy, leaves stuffed, and we're happy.
The food and the service and the family energy is outrageous. It's been an awesome experience. Very proud of you.